James in 1611. What does it mean? The English Bible was written 1611 years after Jesus Christ was born. And that English translation, which the King James wrote, had 80 books in it. How many? 80. 1611. Take the same King James version today, they have only 66 books in it. When King James got it translated, the people in 1611 believed that the word of God is in 80 books, 80 books. They kept on changing this. The biggest change came after 1611 in 1852. After 1852, it was 1957. Now the Christian and the Jewish world, they say, this is the most authentic. Why? They say between 1947 and 1957, Dead Sea Scrolls were found by Israeli scientists, archaeologists. Dead Sea Scrolls. They were written down closest to the time of Jesus Christ. Original we have with us. Closest to the time. When? 1957. What happened? 1611 a book is written. 1611 to 1881 there are people who believe it to be the word of God. 1881 it is changed and said no, this is not the word of God, only 66 books are word of God. From 1881 to 1957 people believe to be the word of God. 1957 again they say no, this is not correct, we have made some corrections, another thing is brought and it is said this is the word of God. Then it is still not satisfied. 1971 they do it again. And after 9 years, how many times? You are changing. Men are changing. Humans are writing down a book and they are making corrections in the word of God and making people believe this is the word of God. Allah reacted. Allah said in Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, ayat number 79. Fawailun lillazeena yaqtuboonal kitaba bi-aydihim thumma yaquluna hadha min indillah. Fawailun lillazeena yaqtuboonal kitab. Curse be upon those people who write a book bi-aydihim with their hands. Thumma, and they claim, thumma yaquluna, and they say hadha, it is min indillah, from Allah.